Guys, this is Premium Pack Break 67. 67, 5 times with 5 times. Well, let's fire it up. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 109. 109. Okay. 109. Alright, 68. Okay, 109. 109. 109. 109. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Adam, BOJ, Kazam, Adam, BOJ, Nick, Justin, Tila, Jeff, and Tim. 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Adam on top, Tila on the bottom, 5 times. Good. Adam, AFC North, Tim, AFC South, Kazam, AFC East, Justin, AFC West, Jeff Britt, NFC North, Nick, NFC South, Adam, NFC East, Tila, NFC West. NFC West is up. Alright guys, let me know when you're ready to roll. El Fulo Sendo. Alright, 109, right? 109, 109. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that's a 9. Alright, nice Alvin Kamara rookie on-card auto from Origins for the NFC South. That'll go to Nicholas Carreri. Alright, Nicholas Carreri. There you go, man. Nice Alvin Kamara. Kamara. On-card auto. 9 on the auto. Set 9.5. All subs. All subs are 9.5. 9.5 Jim Mitt. 9 on the auto. Which I'm not sure what's a 9.5. That's how he signs. That is a 2017 rookie. That is a rookie on-card auto of Alvin Kamara. That'll go to Nicholas Carreri. Alright, Nicholas, there you go, man. Good stuff, good stuff. 5 times for the 5 times. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Kazam. Alright, good stuff. 67, premium pack football there. Alright, 67. Alright, very good, guys. Looks like another premium pack working. 4 divisions left. Alright, guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.